I need to test this 2.5-inch IBM hard drive DJSA-210 10 gig. So it's 2.5-inch, so I'm gonna have to use this converter from that ID portable hard drive 2.5-inch to the USB, and we'll just connect it to the computer here. So we're gonna have to fire up this computer. It's just pretty basic, so we just have to get to Windows and run some software to test it. So we'll see if it's functioning or not. So we'll turn it on. Okay, no clicking, so that's good. Okay, let's see. We have Windows XP. It's coming up, so I'm gonna go to the utility we use for testing all kinds of drives here. Okay, here's the program we use. These use partition master. Okay. Let's see what happens here. Okay. Okay, here's the, so it's found this hard drive. So we're not gonna, so what we're gonna do is, so this drive is unallocated, so we're gonna do a surface test. Okay, so it's going, it's probably gonna take 10-15 minutes maybe. So we're gonna see if there are any error, any bad sectors or anything. So we'll just get back to it. Yeah. Okay, this is the end of the test. So the drive 10 gig 2.5-inch was tested, and here's the test screen. So we just don't see any bad sectors, so we just go finish it. Okay, there's nothing to wipe, and we can definitely wipe it just in case. So it goes to that execute one task, apply. So it's wiping here. Will probably take a while. It's a little slow process here. Okay, test is finished. Operation is completed successfully. Partition is wiped. So this drive looks okay. So we'll just have to ship it out.